As soon as the film Maharaja, starring Vijay Sethupathi and Anurag Kashyap, released in theatres, it grabbed an attention of each and every moviegoer and the cinephiles, as its compelling storytelling and the screenplay resonated strongly with the audiences. Initially, it wasn't released in Hindi in the theatres, so after its release on Netflix, it has created a sensation on the OTT platform, where viewers are rushing to Netflix to watch this amazing masterpiece. So hello everyone, welcome to Cine Samvad, and today I'm gonna talk and discuss about the points why the film Maharaja deserves every praise that it is receiving right now on social media. Directed by Nithilan Saminathan, Maharaja is already added on number 1 in the list of best movies of 2024 for me. Honestly, it was very interesting to analyze some amazing aspects of the filmography that the director has followed. It delivered the unexpected surprises that captivated audiences throughout the film. The screenplay, which initially appeared as a comedy, gradually and smoothly turned so dark in its narrative by the end of the movie, where everything just joins and comes together so flawlessly and left the viewers thinking the quality and awesomeness of this film. Maharaja just exemplifies on how a conventional story template can be innovatively transformed and tweaked smartly by experimenting with the screenplay on the screen. The movie, made with Nithilan's direction and with Vijay Sethupathi in the important role, is an extremely engaging thriller that presents the predictable and used out elements so differently to narrate a revenge story. Now, if we start to discuss, then this film had few things in its closet to surprise you in some unique ways. First and foremost, usual plot with surprises. See, the director was pretty much aware of the fact that he was not narrating a story that nobody has narrated before in the movies. This type of plot with the revenge element is something very familiar to everyone, and lot of mass masala movies have tried that plot in the past. But you know, the beauty of the storytelling through its visuals and keeping the things discreet to sufficient time, and the way when the plot reveals everything, it showcases how smart the director was while writing the film screenplay. He had made us believe that two events were actually happening simultaneously. And by any chance, if you think that you have cracked the plot, it reveals something that makes your jaw open, and it further gives you a chance to do another interpretation. The director has a skill and an eye for staging the scenes according to the power dynamics, as at each point of time, power and authority shifts drastically in the screenplay. Also, in maintaining such a suspense, the main thing that plays out is the editing, which was again very beautiful and unique in this film. Smartly constructed screenplay. The reason why Maharaja feels so engaging is because of the way the director has constructed its screenplay, which reveals the crucial plot points of the film very smartly and at the right time. For instance, in the very first flashback scene, the director was all the way aiming to mislead the viewers, and at the same time he was giving the audience enough elements to confidently believe that the prediction is correct and this film is actually a straightforward story. But when the timelines of the screenplay are actually revealed, then it changed everything in the story and a prediction for further events in the film. In this second half and by the end of the film, when we eventually get to know what really happened, the additional information that comes with that twist makes the things that we have predicted look more better on screen. Also, I have mentioned earlier that it is the beauty of screenplay, that how the movie shifts from looking like a funny plot about a man whose dustbin has been stolen to the tale of a protective and a revengeful father. And when you backtrack every character and subplots in the movie, the focus given to them and the details we get from them were all pretty precise and to the point. Climax of the film. You might think that everything has been revealed now, and the only thing that is left is the revenge. But man, you are so wrong. What the climax of Maharaja brings to the table is something that will stay in your mind for days, and you will feel those surprises and emotions within you. With such a tight script and brilliant storytelling, the film has all the element of surprises with the alternative perspectives of the same situation that will give you certain answers of how the things have been done and who are the ones victim of that thing. But above all, the climax revelation is something that will break you and shock you, like it was for the character of Selvam in the film. Overall, pretty realistic and well done performances by Anurag Kashyap and other characters of the film, and to mention a one-man show by Vijay Sethupathi, as his character was the one who was driving the story ahead. That introverted body language that he has maintained throughout the film was so believable, and it somehow never felt gimmicky. The clean direction by Nithilan Saminathan and the story and the plot that he has showcased was quite usual. But to repackage a similar thing in such a neat storytelling and screenplay, I think it surely requires talent and effort. And hence Maharaja deserves all the praise from everyone.
உன் தலை எடுத்த மாதிரி அவன் தலை எடுக்கிறனா.
So that concludes everything I had on the film Maharaja. You too, please share your thoughts in the comment section of the video about this film, and let's have a healthy discussion around it. Also, if you have liked this discussion, please show your support by liking this video and subscribing to the channel for more content ahead. Do follow me on Instagram at CineSamvad for short reviews and cinematic insights. Thank you for watching. We will meet in the next one. Cheers.